Welcome to 𝙼𝘼𝙋𝙃 International Trading Corporation. In this video, we'll explore the incredible features of this excavator, its performance on the field, and why it's the ultimate choice for your projects. Equipped with a powerful CAT engine and advanced hydraulic system, the CAT 312C delivers unmatched performance and efficiency. Its intuitive operator controls and ergonomic design ensure comfort and precision even during long hours of operation. Built to last, this excavator is a testament to CAT's renowned quality and durability. With low hours and pristine condition, it's a smart investment for any construction project. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied customers who have experienced the reliability and performance of the Japan Surplus CAT 312C for sand. ready to take your construction projects to the next level. Contact us today to learn more about the Japan Surplus Cat 31 to C excavator and how it can benefit your business.